Is it time to buy or sell SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of April, 2025, our system has ranked the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity Exchange-Traded Fund as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.39. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently stands at a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications suggesting further decreases may occur within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of negative 3.5% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 9.34% to positive 4.74%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 8.17%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 1.73% and 26.84% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this implies a future price that may fall between $26 and $32.81. Our latest daily update for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF includes the headline, SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity, SCHWAB U.S. ETF, price up more than 6.37% on Wednesday. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity, SCHWAB U.S. ETF price gained 6.37% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April 2025. The price rose from $24.32 to $25.87. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 8.75%, ranging from a low of $23.87 to a high of $25.96. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 6.94% over this period. Volume has increased along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 7 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a cumulative total of 45 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.16 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $29.72, and the lowest price was $23.87. Currently, the price is 12.95% or $3.85 below the 52-week high, and 68.35% or $55.87 below the all-time high, which occurred on the 14th of January, 2022, when the price reached $81.74. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity Exchange Traded Fund, or SCHD, is gaining attention following a notable decline of over 12% in recent days, providing investors with a prime opportunity to buy in at a discount. This recent market downturn has not only opened a window to attractive yields, but also highlights a strategic moment for income-focused investors. SCHD's current average dividend yield stands at an impressive 4.1%. Significantly outpacing the S&P 500's 1.4%. Moreover, SCHD's recent rebalancing has diversified its holdings, integrating 20 new stocks in cyclical sectors like energy and financials, which could enhance growth potential amidst market volatility. Investors are encouraged to leverage this diversified approach, especially given SCHD's defensive positioning in sectors such as healthcare and consumer staples. The exchange-traded fund's lower beta score of 0.625 suggests a more stable investment, potentially appealing to those seeking to navigate the current turbulent market conditions. As concerns around trade tensions loom, SCHD's strategic pivot away from technology stocks positions it favorably against tech downturns, making it an attractive option for long-term stability and income generation. In the short term, while current market jitters may impact stock prices, the underlying fundamentals and improved portfolio composition suggest strong potential for recovery and growth, benefiting investors looking for reliable returns. Therefore, SCHD presents a compelling case for both short-term and long-term investors aiming to enhance their dividend portfolios. The following signals have been identified for the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity Exchange Traded Fund. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far it has risen 6.37%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $26.13 and $27.63. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 70 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity finds support from accumulated volume at $25.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This ETF experiences average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $2.09 between its high and low, amounting to an 8.75% change. In the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 5.68%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF is at $27.87. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be advisable to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this might be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF encounters its first support level at $25.28. If this support level holds firm, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $24.75, reflecting a decline of 4.32%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified just 1 day ago. Is the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF a good buy? The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF exhibits several negative signals, indicating it should typically be considered a sell candidate. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it may also be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors might consider holding or accumulating shares while waiting for further developments. Our analysis has been updated, changing our conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After reviewing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate that the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF will open lower by approximately 0.0636 starting at $25.23. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.